What if I told you your brain has been lying to you all along, even right now, hiding opportunities, love connections, even that coffee shop sign you swear wasn't there yesterday? It's not you. It's a sneaky little gatekeeper pulling the strings in your skull. Meet the Reticular Activating System, also known as RAS. The RAS is a primal bundle of nerves deciding what you see, feel, and chase, or even miss completely. So buckle up. This is the secret to why your reality's only half the story. This isn't just some dusty corner of neuroscience. It's the maestro of your awareness, filtering a million whispers from your environment every second. Scientists say it's like a bouncer at the hottest club in town. Only the VIPs, sounds, sights, thoughts, get past the velvet rope. The rest, they're left outside, unnoticed, irrelevant. And here's the kicker. Your beliefs, they're the guest list. Good, bad, wild, or wicked. What you believe shapes what the RAS lets you see. Picture it. A tangled web of neurons, no bigger than your thumb, stretching from the base of your skull up into the wilds of your cortex. It's ancient, primal, and oh so powerful. Neuroscientists drool over this stuff. Did you know the RAS handles about 100 million bits of sensory information per second, but your conscious mind, only a measly 40. The rest gets filtered, flirted with, and tossed aside by this sexy little system, all based on what you've told it matters. Let's talk some numbers, because the science is too juicy to ignore. A 2019 study from the Journal of Neuroscience found the RAS doesn't just filter, it amplifies. When researchers zapped it with tiny electrical pulses, subjects' attention sharpened like a lover locking eyes across a crowded room. 30% faster reaction times to what mattered. Another gem from 2022, people primed with positive beliefs like, I'm enough, I'm worthy, saw their RAS light up on brain scans, zeroing in on opportunities they've missed before. Negative beliefs, they blind you, literally. One study showed folks with self-doubt ignored 25% more helpful cues in their environment. Your RAS is a mirror reflecting what you whisper to it in the dark. Let me tell you about Michael. He's 29, a scrappy dreamer with a chipped tooth and a grin that could melt ice. But Michael had a belief gnawing at him. I'll never get ahead. Day after day, he'd walk past a funky little coffee shop with a help wanted sign. He never saw it. His RAS? It was tuned to failure, filtering out that neon promise right in front of him. Then one night, buzzed on cheap whiskey and a self-help podcast, he decided to flip the script. I'm open to what's next. I am worthy. I am good enough for success. The next morning, that sign practically winked at him. He applied, got the gig, and 6 months later, he's managing the place. Same world, different filter. That's the RAS, your brain's sexiest gatekeeper, bending reality to your beliefs. Literally. Here's where it gets fun. That promotion you're chasing, the love note in someone's glance, the chance to rewrite your story, they're all there, brushing against you. But if your RAS isn't looking, you'll miss them. It's why a pessimist sees rain clouds while an optimist spots the rainbow. Studies say belief-driven RAS tuning can shift your focus in as little as 72 hours. 3 days of whispering, I see the good, I feel the good, and suddenly, the good finds you. It's not magic. It's your brain flirting with the world around you, picking what's hot and what's not, based on your beliefs. Your perception is your reality, and that's a fact. It's not woo-woo. It isn't nonsense. It's the very nature of who we are. And the RAS is the ultimate gatekeeper. So, how does it work? Think of your RAS as a spotlight operator. In the theater of your mind, you hand it a script, your beliefs, your obsessions, your quiet little fears, and it shines the light where you point. Obsessed with red cars? You'll see them everywhere. Studies call it the Bader-Meinhof effect, but it's really your RAS playing favorites. Tell it you're worthless? It'll scour your environment for proof. Tell it you're a catch? Oh, honey, it'll find the evidence in every wink and nod. It's somatic, it's psychological, and it's full-on seduction of your senses. Why is it so good at this? Neuroscience says the RAS is wired to your amygdala, your emotional core, and your cortex, where decisions simmer. It's a three-way dance: survival, desire, and focus. One 2021 study hooked people up to EEGs and watched their RAS spike when they spotted something they'd been primed to care about. Up to 50% more activity than neutral stuff. It's like your brain's own private investigator, hunting for what you marked as prey. And the best part? You're the one holding the leash, whether you realize it or not. So, what's your RAS chasing right now? A shadow? A spark? A belief that keeps you blind? It's time to rewrite the guest list. Whisper something bold to that gatekeeper. I see the magic. I catch the breaks. I'm awake to greatness. Watch it work. Feel the shift. The world's been flirting with you all along. Now, let your RAS flirt back. Curious? Good. The spotlight is yours to aim. Leash that puppy up and make it work for you. I'm Michael Anthony, and I'll catch you on the next one.